baby.
Oh, my feet are frozen.
Right.
Here. Don't put it over it. Ah! Holy crap!
Right.
I got snow in my
Dude. Look at her. That's not funny, guys. I'm stuck.
Come on, Bailey, let's go.
Aww.
Oh, baby, come on, girly.
Help. There you go. She was high-centered.
May I gonna do your long jump?
Yes.
Which way are you going to go?
Can I go to the... Actually, let me give you the video.
Ash, you got to come over here.
Did you start the video?
Oh wait.
She's going your way.
Oh, you're right. Move.
So you need to stand by me.